Everything you're seeing here, this vibrant life and colour, was created using just a few basic gardening tools. You really don't need to spend a fortune or have a shed full of gadgets to create your own professional sanctuary. I'm Jenny, and today I'm showing you the proof that simplicity and consistency are the real secrets to a beautiful garden. This space wasn't always a haven. We started with empty beds and a lot of potential, but without any expensive equipment. The soil was compacted and the area was overlooked. It felt overwhelming, but we just focused on the basics. Using just our 5 essentials, the trowel, the fork, the secateurs, gloves and a watering can, we began the work. We planted every seedling and moved every plant by hand, trusting in the tools we already had. And we stayed consistent with the care, watering, weeding and pruning every single week without fail. Slowly but surely, the garden began to respond. Seeing those first signs of life is where the magic truly begins. Nature does the heavy lifting if you give it the right start. It's about working with the earth, not fighting it. Every new leaf and every new bud was proof that our simple approach was working perfectly. Look at the results. These borders are now a haven of colour and scent, all achieved with those same 5 core tools. From the tallest foxgloves to the smallest ground cover, every plant here was nurtured by hand with love and attention. It's a professional looking result that anyone can achieve in their own space, regardless of their budget. Even if you only have a small patio, containers are a wonderful way to create a sanctuary. They are so easy to manage. You can create stunning vertical interest and pops of colour exactly where you need them most with very little effort. A regular watering routine and a good quality trowel are all you need to keep your container garden thriving. The health of these plants is a testament to the fact that you don't need complex systems or expensive feeds. Good soil, regular watering and basic pruning are the keys to a vigorous and disease-resistant garden. And a healthy garden brings in the pollinators. Watching the bees enjoy the space is one of the best parts of my day. By choosing a variety of plants, you're creating a tiny ecosystem. It's a sanctuary for them as much as it is for you. This buzz of activity is the ultimate reward for your hard work and consistency throughout the growing season. I've used these same 5 tools for years. They've never let me down and they've helped me build everything you see. They are the backbone of my professional work and the foundation of my home sanctuary right here in Hampshire. Investing in quality over quantity is the best advice I can give any beginner starting their journey today. If you've been putting off gardening because you thought it was too complicated, I hope this gives you the confidence to start. Just grab your 5 essential tools and begin. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with just a little time and care. Your own sanctuary is waiting to be created. I can't wait to hear about your gardening successes. Head over to gardennestliving.com for my full starter guide and more expert tips from the garden. I'll see you in the garden for our next project. Happy gardening!